Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is fierce. It is pronounced fierce and spelled F-I-E-R-C-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Fierce is an adjective that means having or displaying an intense or ferocious aggressiveness. It can also mean showing a heartfelt and powerful intensity. For example, you could say the lioness was a fierce protector of her cubs, or the competition between the two teams was fierce. The word fierce comes from the Latin word ferus, meaning wild or savage. In the story, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, the children encountered a fierce lion named Aslan, who is both powerful and compassionate. He leads the fight against the White Witch and ultimately sacrifices himself to save Edmund. Synonyms for fierce include ferocious, intense, strong and passionate. Antonyms for fierce include gentle, mild, calm and timid. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, fierce. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.